What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use an easy out screw extractor to get out a stripped screw or bolt. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright, so while I was making a video on fixing a shop vac, I ran into some stripped screw heads, so that's lovely. As you can see, this one is stripped out. They're pretty rusty, so I think that's why. But we're going to be using this to get it out. This is a screw extractor set. I already got one of the two ones out using it, so we know it's going to work. But this set comes with the bits and the actual extractor. I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description to one like this. So each of these extractors has a correlating size drill bit. It's smaller than this. Alright, the first thing we're going to want to do is spray some WD-40 or any other penetrant. I'm just putting some oil on there. That's going to help loosen it up if it's corroded or anything like that. Just let that soak for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to take the drill bit that lines up with this extractor, and what I'm going to do is just drill the top of the head of the screw. We're going to drill it out as far as you can, probably about 1/4 inch. Okay, now the way the screw extractor part works is it's reverse threaded. So we're going to spin it into the hole we just drilled counterclockwise, and it's going to drive it down into it, and it's also going to start to loosen it, hopefully. So we'll put the screw extractor in there, and then you're going to tap it in with a hammer. Now we're going to hold it, and we're going to push down with our fingers, and now we're going to take a small adjustable wrench, and this is notched on the top, so we can grab it. And while we're pushing down on the extractor, we're going to turn it counterclockwise. Hopefully it's not biting yet. Alright, so it wasn't biting. I don't think I got it deep enough. I'm going to go ahead and drill it out as deep as I can now. Put a fresh bit on. That one was kind of dull. There we go. Cut up a lot of it. Now let's try that again. Tap it in, press it down. Now it's biting a lot better. Well, it's getting it though. Take your time. Yep, starting to get it. Yeah, pressing it down helps. That's how I did the first one. Once it starts to grab, you're not home free yet. Just take your time, because these screw extractors don't always work. You're lucky when they do. My hand. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. See, there we go. We got it. See how I drilled it out? So these things work pretty good. Well, that's how to use one of these. Alright, hopefully you guys can get yours out. But if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get those new videos of mine. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Good luck and keep on doing it yourself. Take care.